What's up, you guys? It's Jose Zuniga from Teaching Men's Fashion, and today we have more of a casual video, a vlog if you want to call it that. It's a big day for me today. It's a nerve-wracking day. I'm deciding to finally buy my first home. So I'm 23. I figure it's about time that I move on to that step. It's going to be the biggest purchase of my life. And it's a pretty big deal. So I thought I needed to bring you guys along so you could see some of the properties I'm looking at and what would be the next TMF home where I'm gonna be recording tons of content. So just like I did back when we first crossed 100,000 subscribers, I was looking for an office. So I brought you along, showed you some of the offices I was looking at so we could kind of choose them together, because at the end of the day, this kind of affects you too. So if that sounds exciting, stay tuned because we're going for a long day today. Let's hop into it. All right, so the first home up is gonna be a Key West style. I'm gonna let my realtor kind of explain a little bit more about it, but it's kind of like a Key West style, kind of like your typical Florida home. What do we have here? Because I'm not too familiar with this.
Yeah, no, actually.
By the way, I'll put your info here.
Actually, you hit it right on the head. This is a Key West typical style house right now.
Waterfront as well.
It's about 2,400 square foot. It's a beautiful house. It has awesome bones. Actually, it's
bedroom and bathroom. How many?
Yeah, well, it's a 4-3, so there's 4 bedrooms, 3 baths.
So this is the first home, 4-3. This is the master we're going into, which this is ooh. I like that shower. That's nice. Cool, cool. It's so weird because this is my first time home buying. I feel like I'm grown up. Grew up pretty fast, guys. I like the full length mirror. I don't know if I want to go in there. I think there's people still living here. Master. Pretty big. I like it. There we go. So we got a pool and a waterfront right there. I can park future boat, which I don't even have one, but I do want jet skis and whatnot, so that'd be cool. And then there's like a whole separate guest house right here, which I think this is pretty cool. This is awesome. Where when guests come over, this is pretty cool.
Guest house, right?
It's nice.
Yeah, nice.
It has its own deck too, the guest house.
Yeah, but, oh yeah, it's nice.
You got your own guest house. It's a difference, yeah. Because he knows like my thing is modern, kind of like minimal type of.
Exactly.
I didn't have this in mind, but
I peeped it. I was like, I think he'll
like this and that.
Exactly.
That.
That was so.
We love this. This is my new house right here. The little
I was
guest
like,
house.
you can make this pretty much what you want.
And I can remodel it.
That's what I'm
if
saying.
I want it more
That's
modern.
what I'm saying, right?
I don't know.
If it got good guts, if a great location, close to your
great.
job, it's right here.
Bro, my job's like
Right here.
I can walk.
Yeah,
I can
you
walk to
drop
my
it.
office.
It's crazy.
Damn.
Look at that boat. That's motivation right there.
And it just
That's
fe-
TMF.
That's what I was.
That's what TMF.
TMF goes right over there. Damn. Yo, that's a yacht over there, bro.
That's money.
No, this is awesome.
That boat costs as much as this house, probably.
Probably.
Not even more, for real.
Damn. No, I like this.
This
And I
is
like.
nice.
So this looks cool. We're gonna go to house number 2 and see what we have in stock there. So quick little break because our realtor kind of timed everything like hour out. So we went through that house really quick. So I'm gonna stop by the office real quick. I don't know if you guys remember him. We did an alpha makeover.
We actually did.
That was a while ago.
It
too.
was a while ago.
Like five months ago. But still looks dapper.
I appreciate it. Thanks to TMF.
I'm getting a special discount, right?
Of course.
But that also brings me to an important segment on home buying. And Juan touched upon this in the Gents Tech video.
All right, I'm gonna just show up back here. You're buying all these nice homes.
I'm not all these, one home.
Okay, one home, but you're looking at all these nice homes. You need a good. Did you see how to defend yourself?
Yes.
Video? Okay.
That's
so
the
what
point.
you need is a Lorix camera system.
And that's why I'm glad that Lorix Security Systems sponsored our video, because now I get to show you some security steps that every home buyer should do, and I'm gonna get to use these in my house. I think every home buyer needs these. Now, there's a lot of security systems out there, and this is one of my biggest fears. Like when I was thinking about buying a house, my thing was, I want to protect this house. You know, there's so many instances of robberies, break-ins, and when I build a family, I want to feel secure. Or let's say even when I'm not around or I'm traveling, I want to know that my house is protected. And I think that's something every guy wants. So if that's your mentality, you want protection, this is a system you're going to want to check out for your house. Whether you live with your parents or you live alone, this is something you're going to want to recommend to them, because these cameras, these aren't like anything else you're going to find online or you're going to be able to buy at Best Buy. These things are 4K. basically high definition night vision cameras. So basically, you can put these outside and you'll see to the finest detail because of how high definition these are, which is what you want if somebody breaks in or there's something going on. The cool part is that they are waterproof, and as you can tell, this is a metal casing construction. It's nothing cheap. It's super durable. These are IP67 waterproof cameras. Basically, nothing's gonna damage it from the exterior. And now another cool thing about these is that they're completely hardwired in, so you don't have to worry about somebody hacking your wireless security camera to be able to break in. On top of that, you can use your phone on your app and check the cameras from wherever you are around the world. Lorex, at the end of the day, these are the Mercedes-Benz of security systems. Like, you're not gonna get anything better than this. So if you wanna protect your home, protect your loved ones, and just feel safe, I definitely recommend this Lorex system. This is something we are, like Juan was saying, gonna install in our office. I'm gonna get another kit to install in my new home. I know Juan's trying to install it in his home. This is something you're gonna want just to be safe, feel protected, and protect your loved ones. So if you guys wanna check out our sponsor, definitely check out the link down below. And now, let's continue home buying. All right, so we're in house number 2 now. This one I actually like a little bit better on the outside. All right, there's 3 things I like to look at a house. The garage.
Look at that. 3 cars.
Boom, boom,
My GTR,
boom.
the Mercedes I'm gonna keep when I win the race, and my truck.
This is not your house buying. What is he? This is my house buying. 3 cars, big driveway. I like that. Kitchen and bathrooms. Those are like the 3 big things that I always look at. So let's hop into this one.
I know.
That door is $20,000.
Oh, you're not kidding.
No, that door is $20,000. Because
How do you know?
Because that other house right there, I went to see it.
Yeah, we
because
went to see that house.
Yeah, so I was talking to a realtor, and those doors are $20,000 because they're basically all metal or whatever.
Damn.
And glass. So if something happens and they can't fix it, you have to replace it. You have to pay $20,000 for another door.
Damn. All
Because it's
right.
metal, it's not.
No thanks to that.
All right, so let's just start with the main part for me. Obviously, the garage. I think this is gonna be more than enough. I don't even need to see anymore. This is good for me. Let's go to the rest of the house.
As you can see, washer and dryer. Love the tile. Small little, I guess, guest bathroom. 1 room with its own bathroom. Nice. Boom. Kitchen. This is a big deal for me.
Kind of looks like my kitchen.
Kind of. Yeah, I like that gray.
Yeah, because mine.
Boom. I like that. Another bedroom. I think it's like a 4-4. No, 4-3. Or I don't know if that's a den. That's a den. Bathroom. Another bedroom. Closet. Let's go to the master, which is the big deal. Oh man. What the heck? What the heck?
Imagine me soaking in here.
Why do you keep imagining yourself anywhere? I like that.
Nice. This.
And then
That's the master.
the master. This is the closet. I like that. I like that. Even though most of my clothes are in the office anyways. Boom.
All right, so this house is freaking amazing. So now let's go to house number 3, see what we got in store there. All right, guys, so we are in house number 3. This one's a little bit smaller, but I like it. It's hop inside, see how it looks.
What you're gonna notice, since it's brand new, everything looks more modern.
So I'm really liking this one overall. As you saw, the entrance was really nice with all the lighting. I'm digging it.
I don't like the backyard on this one. The most important feature,
It's not that big.
the garage. 3 car, but it's gonna be tight. I think I like the other one better.
But this is house 3 down, 2 more to go. This is exhausting. All right, guys, so now we are at house number 4, our 4th stop for the potential TMF home. We got this beautiful home right here. Let's see how it looks inside.
All right, so we're entering house number 4 right here. This one has to be the nicest designed one. Living room right here. Boom, kitchen. The most important part, or second to me at least after the garage. But check this out, right? Dining room, and then all this opens up. How cool is that? Get all open back. Got a jacuzzi, pool, and then I guess like a lake in the back. I like the view. All right, so here we're going into the master bedroom right now.
I usually like when the master bedrooms are a little bit bigger
I think out of all the homes we've seen, this is probably the biggest one. And now we're stepping into the bathroom. The bathroom is pretty cool. I like it. Ooh, that's a big closet. Tons of stuff that can happen there. Like the shower. Definitely not my favorite bathroom, but I like the bedroom. I like the backyard. And I love that kitchen. If you look at that, ooh. So I think we have one more room missing. Oh, dang, there's a second floor to this. All right, so I didn't know that. I thought this was one floor. All right, so there's another bedroom. Got the bathroom, and apparently there is a loft up here, which I didn't know about. Ooh. Okay, so this is pretty freaking cool. There is a whole other room on top. This is like a loft area. I guess it's optional with this model home. So they have a whole like living area right here.
I would definitely have a bigger TV.
Bathroom.
Sure.
Oh, well, that will update. This kind of can be like a man cave though.
Oh no, that's what I'm saying, the man cave.
That's what I'm thinking. And for the 5th and final installment, we have this beautiful home. And look at the camera they're using. I don't know if you can tell. That's a Loric security system. I'm telling you, these are like the best of the best. We left it for last because personally, it's the one that I like the most, especially on the outside. The only thing I don't like is the location. It's about half an hour away from my office, so it will obviously kind of be a drag to drive every morning that far. But the home itself, at least on pictures, it's beautiful.
This one's almost my favorite.
Yeah, you can take a picture of this.
So here we got the kitchen, one of the most important parts again, but look at this backyard. Look at that, again, fully open doors. I love how they slide open all the way out, but look at how nice they designed this pool area is. I mean, it feels like you're in Greece back here. In your backyard. Love that. Kitchen, beautiful, perfect. You know, I guess family living room here. Bedroom. Bathroom. Got a full wine cellar on this side. I don't drink, so probably a bunch of sparkling water. So we go back here. Got another bedroom with its own bathroom. We gotta look at the, obviously, garage. Boom. 3-car garage. We got a living room. Look at this. The office. This is by far my favorite room out of every house we've seen. And then, of course, the master bedroom. Splits up on the left. We have the master bathroom, which I really like. We have the 2 closets. Boom. His and hers. And then the beautiful, I mean, just look at this master. Again, full act, like you get all that view back there. I don't know, guys. This has to be one of the toughest life decisions after getting married.
Yeah, man.
This is a big commitment, and obviously I just want to make the right one. Has to be right location, right price point, right value. You know, so many things, but obviously that's why I brought you guys along, because this is a big deal and you guys are a big part of my life as well. So I'd love to see what you guys have to think. A lot of the content is going to be shot in here. Morning routines, all, you know, full day of eatings, all that cool stuff will be shot in here, getting ready. So let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. And again, thank you for coming along to look for the perfect TMF home in another part of my life. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And again, if you want more vlog style videos, don't forget to subscribe to our other channel. That's it for me today. See you next time.